Hello friends, in first video we have seen how to print hello world. Now in this challenge we will see the syntax for reading input and printing output. Here first we have to take here first we have to take three integers as input. Here we can see a single line containing three spaces integers a, b and c, and then we have to print their sum. Then print the sum of three integers on a single line. Okay, here is some basics of C++, that is how we declare variables and how we take input in C++ and syntax for printing. Okay, first we have to declare three int variables, that is A, B and C, and then we have to take input. Now we have to take these three integers as input. Now we have to print their sum. First we have declared three integer variables, that is a, b and c. Then we have taken inputs, and then we are printing some of these integers. Now try to run our code. Okay, our our code passed the sample test case. Now we can submit our code. As you can see, we have passed all the test cases. Now we will get the points assigned with this problem, that is 5, and as much as points you earn, your rank will get better. So stay connected for solutions of more C++ problems.